Hello and welcome to the how-to video for the new scheduling tool in Upvise. First up, we're going to access our Upvise application on our smartphones and then head into the menu by the top left-hand corner of our screens and then scroll down and select Projects. Once within the project module, you can either scroll through to find the project that you need or use the search functionality, which we will do now. For this video, we're using the Project 123 test. However, of course, you would use the project that you need. From this overall project screen, you get an overview of the project, but we are interested in the Staff tab. Clicking on this will show all staff that are assigned to the project under two categories, either on-site or left site up the top there. So you'll notice that the users are currently planned and not arrived yet, but what we're going to do is we're going to check them in. So you check them in by tapping and holding one user, and you have the option to check in just that user or check in all users. So first we'll check in one, and then you can check in all. From here, their arrival times will appear, and they're now on site. Now at the end of the day, you can then say that they've left site, and similarly, you just tap and hold to check out. And then they'll appear over in the left site tab. And this also adds their checkout time to the user. Now, if these times have been entered incorrectly, you can edit them. So we're going to tap on the user, and you'll notice you've got the check-in and checkout time displayed. By simply tapping on that, you can select the correct time. So we're going to change this check-in time to 8:30 in the morning, like so. And then select OK when we're finished. And similarly with the checkout time, we'll change it to 5:30. And select OK again. You'll notice you've also got the activity and the break. Either of these can be changed if needed. And then click the check when we're done. This will update the times given and also add the duration of the day to the user. Hopefully this has been helpful. Thank you very much for listening.